the idea of crypto education. The world is evolving at a rapid pace. Today, you can find an online course for anything and everything. From investing in the stock market to building a website, and cryptocurrency is no exception. Since technology has already altered the financial system, resulting in various advancements in significant enterprises around the globe, cryptocurrency and its underlying technology, blockchain, are no longer a thing of the future. The crypto ride is pretty wild. Cryptocurrencies are high-risk investments. Even if you're accustomed to investing in the stock market, you may not have had the opportunity to see the extreme highs and lows that cryptocurrency holds. For example, the price of Bitcoin fell more than 80% in the 2017-18 period. However, if we talk about 2022, it's likely to fall back further to continue climbing. There are no limits for learning. Learning about cryptocurrencies might seem like a daunting task. Just when you think you've grasped blockchain technology, you will find yourself stumbling over unfamiliar terminologies such as smart contracts, HODL, and DeFi. Know that crypto trading is not about becoming an expert in blockchain programming. Yet, the more you study, the more confident you will be in your decisions. It's a world of unknowns. Creating wealth takes time and patience, and there are still far too many unknowns regarding crypto trading. The way cryptocurrencies operate is still a work in progress, and there is much to be resolved. It's surprising to think about it. Nobody knows who the founder of Bitcoin is. Best crypto trading courses. With fraud, scams, and theft prevalent in the online arena, it may be challenging to locate reputable sources of information, particularly for newcomers to the field. The fact is that you don't need to choose between good, bad, or the best. We already did the hard work for you. A cryptocurrency course may cover a wide variety of topics, from high-level overviews of blockchain technology to in-depth explanations of how to trade alternative currencies. Fast Lane Trader, best overall. For those looking to invest in cryptocurrency but are unsure of where or how to begin, Fast Lane Traders is the solution. It is an instructional video that teaches beginners and expert traders the necessary skills to make money in the crypto trading industry. It provides traders with tried-and-true tactics to aid them in doing market analysis, hence boosting earnings while avoiding losses. Crypto Cowboys Best Course Community. Crypto Cowboys is an online video trading course designed to teach new crypto traders about cryptocurrency investing and trading via a step-by-step format. From getting started with cryptocurrency to understanding the essential parts of investing and trading, Crypto Cowboys is the buy low, sell high philosophy, instructing participants on locating high-quality, low-entry cryptocurrencies for much more significant earnings. Crypto Cowboy Club. Did you know the fundamental concept of NFT is to serve as a token of ownership? In today's market, most NFT represent ownership of an image. Although Crypto Cowboy recognizes the importance of artwork, its purpose is to mean something more than just the owner of an image. Owners of Crypto Cowboys are members of the Crypto Cowboys Club, which provides them with access to private conversations and a private ranch in the metaverse. Cryptocurrency Fundamentals, Udemy Best Priced. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple are witnessing rapid growth due to the cryptocurrency bubble, with large corporations such as PayPal and significant banks embracing cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. It comes as no surprise that cryptocurrency and its underlying technology, the blockchain, have enormous potential. Do you remember the fall of the dot-com bubble in the late 1990s? Companies like Amazon have seen their stock prices plummet by 90% due to the excitement around this new emergent technology sector. Cryptocurrency Fundamentals, Buy, Sell, and Trade Cryptocurrency, Best Priced. This is another Udemy course that serves as a quick-hit introduction to cryptocurrency trading and investing fundamentals. The course is divided into 3 parts, each of which has 19 lectures and lasts 1 hour and 4 to 5 minutes. It usually costs $94.99, however, it is regularly available at a significant discount. The Final Cut. From the money of the future to an exceedingly risky asset, cryptocurrency is confusing. However, when it comes to trading, one of the most challenging barriers for new investors to overcome is the temptation to get caught up in the excitement. Digital currencies have swiftly gained importance in the portfolios of many individual and institutional investors, expected to continue to do so. BlockStar Investments hopes you enjoyed our video. Please leave us a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe and click the notifications bell so you don't miss our latest and greatest news, reviews, and upcoming trends. Check out our links in the description below for a deeper dive into the world of cryptocurrency.